Are you a Coca-Cola fan? As you enjoy your favorite drink, have you ever wondered about the process behind how it's made? The process begins in advanced Coca-Cola factories, where simple ingredients are transformed into the carbonated drink we love. In this video, we'll get into the exciting journey through Coca-Cola's production, exploring everything from raw materials to the final product. Join us as we uncover the important steps that guarantee each bottle delivers that perfect familiar flavor. Let's get started. Step 1. The secret syrup. The process begins with making the special syrup that gives Coca-Cola its unique taste. Now, an interesting fact. You know, the Coca-Cola formula is one of the biggest secrets in the beverage world, known as Merchandise 7X. This special syrup is packed with a unique blend of sweeteners, flavorings, and essential oils. While the exact recipe is a closely guarded secret, let me tell you, it includes citrus oils, cinnamon, and nutmeg, mixed in a precise way that's been kept under wraps since 1886. The name Coca-Cola was created using two main ingredients, cocaine from the coca plant and caffeine from the cola nut. The founders picked this name because it sounded catchy and was easy to remember. Even though the formula has changed over time, the name Coca-Cola has stayed famous and recognizable around the world. Step 2. Carbonated water. Moving on, let's talk about one of the essential ingredients in Coca-Cola, carbonated water. This is the foundation of every fizzy drink, and getting it right is important for that signature Coca-Cola experience. It all starts with purified water. About 90% of Coca-Cola is made up of water. The carbonation comes from purified carbon dioxide, which creates the drink's bubbles and fizz. Then, CO2 is added under high pressure to create that signature fizz. The carbonation process is precisely controlled to deliver the perfect amount of bubbles in every bottle. Coca-Cola also focuses on sustainability, implementing practices to minimize water waste and improve efficiency. This includes advanced water recycling and conservation techniques. So, next time you open a bottle of Coca-Cola and enjoy that refreshing fizz, you'll know it's the result of a careful and high-tech process that ensures every bottle is just as crisp and satisfying as the last. Now, let me tell you one interesting fact. In 1886, Dr. John Pemberton, a pharmacist from Atlanta, invented a flavored syrup and combined it with carbonated water. At that time, many thought carbonated water had health benefits, so Coca-Cola was initially sold as a medicine at soda fountains. Pretty cool, right? Stay tuned as we move on to the next exciting step in the Coca-Cola production journey. Step 3. Mixing and filling. Next, let's explore the crucial stages of mixing and filling in Coca-Cola's production process. This is where the magic really starts to come together. It all begins with the mixing stage. Here, the Coca-Cola secret syrup is combined with carbonated water in large blending tanks. The syrup and water are carefully mixed in precise proportions to create the signature Coca-Cola flavor. The blending process is highly controlled. Advanced technology guarantees that the syrup is evenly distributed throughout the carbonated water, resulting in a consistent taste in every bottle. This stage is crucial for maintaining Coca-Cola's quality and flavor. Once the Coca-Cola mixture is perfectly blended, it's time for filling. Step 4. Filling the bottles. Next, we arrive at a crucial point in Coca-Cola's production process, the filling of the bottles. This stage is where the magic of bottling takes shape, ensuring that every bottle of Coca-Cola is filled with precision and perfection. The state-of-the-art nozzles are specially engineered to dispense just the right amount of Coca-Cola into each bottle. Accuracy is key here. Each nozzle is calibrated to ensure that every bottle receives the exact volume of Coca-Cola. This precision prevents overfilling and underfilling, which helps maintain uniformity across all bottles. Advanced sensors constantly monitor the fill levels, making real-time adjustments to ensure every bottle meets Coca-Cola's high standards. Did you know? The filling technology used by Coca-Cola is so advanced that it can handle a variety of bottle shapes and sizes, adapting seamlessly to different packaging formats. This versatility ensures that whether it's a classic glass bottle or a modern plastic one, the filling process remains flawless. Did you know? Every day, a total of 1.7 billion servings of Coca-Cola products are enjoyed around the world. This iconic brand has truly made its mark. Step 5. Automation at work. Automation is the backbone of Coca-Cola's production line. From start to finish, advanced machinery and robotics handle a huge portion of the work. This is where innovation meets efficiency. Robotic arms are at the heart of the automation process. They're responsible for tasks like sorting, picking, and placing bottles with incredible speed and accuracy. Imagine thousands of bottles moving through the factory, and these robots ensure each one is perfectly positioned for the next stage. The machines are equipped with digital controls that track fill levels and detect any irregularities. If a bottle isn't filled to the exact level, the system automatically corrects it or removes the bottle from the line. It's all about perfection. And it gets even better. These robots don't just move fast, they also adapt on the fly. They can switch between different bottle sizes and types without missing a beat, thanks to sophisticated software that manages the production line's every move. Also, the company's advanced robotic systems are so precise that they can handle up to 60 million units per year. Step 6. Capping the bottles. Once the bottles are filled, it's time to cap them. Here, caps are applied with a specialized capping machine. The capping process is equally precise. Each cap is tightened to the perfect degree to ensure an airtight seal. This is crucial for preserving the freshness and effervescence of the drink, locking in the refreshing flavors. You might notice how shiny and clean the bottles look when you pick one up. That's because they go through a thorough cleaning process to ensure they're spotless and ready for you. If you see a tiny ring on the cap that breaks when you open it, you know your Coca-Cola has been sealed with care and quality in mind. Coca-Cola was the first company to sponsor the Olympics, starting with the 1928 Summer Games in Amsterdam. This marked the beginning of its long history of supporting the Olympics and showcasing its brand on a global stage. Step 7. Packing the bottles. After the bottles have been filled and sealed to perfection, they're ready to be packed and prepared for their journey to stores around the world. This step is where efficiency meets precision, ensuring that every bottle is packed securely and ready for distribution. Once the bottles leave the filling and capping area, they move along a conveyor belt to the packing line. Here, automation takes center stage once again. The bottles are grouped into various configurations, such as 6-packs, 12-packs, or larger cases, depending on the packaging requirements. Advanced sorting machines handle the task of organizing the bottles. These machines use sensors and robotics to sort bottles by size and type, grouping them into the correct configurations. Automated systems create cardboard cartons or plastic shrink wrap packs around the bottles. This step is crucial for ensuring that the final packaging meets both logistical and customer needs. Step 8. Quality control and branding. At Coca-Cola, quality isn't just a standard, it's a way of life. From the moment ingredients enter the factory, they undergo rigorous testing. Advanced sensors and expert technicians ensure every batch meets Coca-Cola's exacting standards. The bottles don't just keep moving along, they go through various detectors that check for any faults. Throughout production, real-time monitoring systems keep a close eye on everything, from carbonation levels to fill accuracy. Any deviation is quickly corrected, so every bottle delivers that signature taste. Once the bottles pass the quality checks, they're ready to be branded. The well-known red and white Coca-Cola logo is stamped on each bottle, and memorable campaigns like Share a Coke all contribute to a brand that's synonymous with happiness and refreshment. Did you know that the Coca-Cola logo, with its distinctive red and white colors, is recognized by an impressive 94% of the global population? This iconic branding has become a symbol that transcends cultures and borders, making it one of the most identifiable logos in the world. Step 9. Creating carrying cases. Creating carrying cases, a special packaging, is a vital step in ensuring that Coca-Cola bottles are transported efficiently and securely. For this, cardboard sheets are swiftly cut and folded by high-tech machines into strong cases that will hold the bottles. Automated systems then neatly pack the filled bottles into these cases, ensuring a tight fit to prevent any damage during transport. Each case undergoes a final quality check before being stacked on pallets, wrapped for security, and prepared for distribution. These cases are really helpful as they allow people to transport several bottles of Coca-Cola at once. This makes it convenient to share with friends and family. Now, let's talk about how Coca-Cola cans are filled. When it comes to enjoying your favorite fizzy drink, nothing beats the convenience and refreshing feel of a Coke can. The way these cans are handled on the production line is not just for aesthetics. It's a smart technique that allows them to be turned upside down to dry off any water droplets. This design also helps save space when they're packed. The nozzles used to fill the cans are really impressive. They do a fantastic job of pouring our favorite drinks into the cans. These shiny cans have become a recognizable symbol of refreshment, and most people choose them over plastic bottles. There's just something special about drinking from a tin can. The filling process is designed to minimize temperature changes. By keeping the Coca-Cola chilled throughout the process, the drink maintains its carbonation and flavor, ensuring every bottle or can delivers that refreshing taste you love. Coca-Cola spends more on advertising than Microsoft and Apple together. This huge investment in marketing helps keep the brand visible and popular worldwide. The company uses various advertising methods, from TV commercials and digital ads to sponsorships and product placements. From the high-speed precision of the filling machines to the cutting-edge carbonation techniques that lock in that irresistible fizz, it's clear that every bottle or can is crafted with care and innovation. Next time you crack open a Coke, you'll know the science and technology behind that satisfying pop and perfect pour. Thanks for joining us on this bubbly adventure. If you love knowing the details, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at the brands you love.